Today we're examining the intriguing sphere of niobium nickel alloy, a robust material that's transforming multiple industries. Imagine an alloy that combines the outstanding strength of niobium with the exceptional corrosion resistance of nickel. That's exactly what niobium nickel alloy brings to the table. So, what makes this alloy so special? First off, it's all about performance. With around 60% niobium and 40% nickel, this blend ensures outstanding mechanical strength and flexibility. Whether it's withstanding extreme temperatures in aerospace components or resisting harsh chemicals in the chemical processing industry, this alloy doesn't disappoint. Speaking of aerospace, think about those turbine blades and engine parts that operate under intense heat and stress. Niobium nickel alloy keeps them reliable and efficient, ensuring that flights remain safe and engines perform optimally. But its magic doesn't stop there. In the chemical processing sector, the alloy's superior corrosion resistance means longer-lasting reactors and pipelines, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Another cool application is in the nuclear energy field. The alloy's stability and radiation resistance make it perfect for constructing reactor components that need to endure tough conditions without compromising safety. Plus, in the electronics industry, it's used in capacitors and superconductors, thanks to its excellent electrical conductivity. Now, why choose our niobium nickel alloy? It's simple. We offer top-notch quality backed by technical expertise and a global supply chain that ensures timely delivery. Whether you need custom solutions or standard products, we've got you covered with reliability and excellence. In summary, niobium nickel alloy is a game-changer for industries that demand the best in performance, durability, and resistance to extreme conditions. If you're looking to elevate your projects with a material that delivers on all fronts, this alloy is your go-to choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more insights into advanced materials.